Alright, we're gonna do something fun. So this is a GoPro.
Hello.
And this is a sink. And this GoPro is supposed to be good for water. So why not test if it's good for water? So move some of this stuff out of the way. This is a spontaneous video. I haven't really thought it all the way through yet. So we're just gonna wait for the sink to fill up. I have not tried submerging it in water before. Nothing bad should happen. We'll see. It's not like this one. Right in here. It's a wild ride. I look forward to viewing this video. Is there anything else I can put in there? A toothbrush. Oh, here we go. I have like a hairbrush from when I had hair. Okay. I don't really need it, I guess. There we go. Brushing my hair. Alright, there goes the hairbrush. I have no idea what that's gonna look like.